Hi, my name is John. Welcome to the first in a series of short videos reviewing this Artec 260 amp AC DC inverter TIG welder. I've had the welder for 6 years now, so I know it around a little bit. I'm going to show you the settings that I use, that I've got stored in the memory for the different welding processes. I'm not going to try and show you how to weld. There's plenty of people on YouTube who show you how to weld. And what I want to try and do is show you how to use this welder, how to set it up, how to get the best out of it. I've powered the welder up and it's gone straight onto number 3. Number 3 is what I used last. That's the setting I use for welding decent quality clean aluminium plate. I'll go through the settings I've got stored and then we'll have a go at welding some aluminium. I've got 160 amps. I'm using the foot pedal so I can vary the amperage between 0 and 160. I've got 30% set on the balance, that's 30% cleaning. I've got the hertz set at 130. No downslope, low end amps, and there's 9 seconds of gas comes out when I finish welding, just to keep the tungsten nice and clean. No start gas because I'm using a pedal. 30 amps is the initial arc it'll strike, so 30 amps gives a good clean start. No upslope because I'm using a pedal, and you're back on to your 160 amps welding current. And I can turn that any way I want, up or down or whatever, but I probably not need 160 amps, but it's if I do need it. Sine wave pattern, I'm an advanced square wave. There's 4 different wave patterns for AC, but I found for nice clean aluminium, the best one is the advanced square wave. This is the torch I use. It's a CK20 water cooled torch. It's got a different handle on because the power cable gave a problem and I put a heavier power cable in and it wouldn't fit the style handle. Apart from that, it's a standard torch. This is the setup I use. It's a number 5 cup, a 2.4 collet, just an ordinary collet, no gas lenses on aluminium. I use a brass tape wedge in the back, much better than the copper ones. Simply all fits together like that. I like a short back cap when I'm welding on a bench. It just gives you a little bit more control over the torch. Tungsten stick out is about 3 times the diameter of the electrode. The electrodes I'm using, blue ones, 2% laminated, and I use these for everything in 2.4 up to 170, 180 amps, then I go into 3.2. I'll show you how I sharpen the tungsten and then I will prepare the tungsten for welding on AC. Right, that's a straightforward point. You could weld steel with that straight away, but for aluminium there's one more thing we need to do. To put a ball on the end of tungsten, we need to turn the AC balance up from 30 to about 80. Still 130 hertz, everything exactly the same. We've just turned the AC balance right up, which will ball up the tungsten. Right, to prepare the tungsten, you need to strike an arc. I want you to watch the end of the tungsten and hopefully you'll see it form into a little thin round ball. You can see that there, it's got a nice shiny ball on the end. That's ready for welding aluminium, but we must turn the balance back down to 30%. Aluminium must be clean to weld. This is acetone. A little bit of acetone to just wipe any surface contaminants off. It's so dirty that's come off. I also clean the filler rod as well. 5358 is the rod I prefer for nice clean sheet aluminium. See how much dirt's coming off there. Obviously you've got to make sure you keep the acetone well away from the welding area. I'm going to run a straight bead down there. so that's not a bad weld, nice clean weld. There you can see how clean and shiny that weld is. We're doing an inside corner joint now. I hope you found that short video useful in setting up the weld at the weld nice clean aluminium. The next job I'm doing, I think I've got a dirty aluminium casting to weld. I'll bring that home and I'll show you how I prepare that and how I set the welder up to weld dirty aluminium. Anyway, thanks for watching.